Hi, I'm Ben Meakin and I'm your current Guild President. I'm running for re-election, but let's have a look at what I've achieved so far. This year I've tried to make the Guild a more engaging place and a brighter environment for students to be in. As you can see here, and here. This is only the start, and hopefully we can spread this throughout the whole Guild. Another big issue of the Guild is the fact that the SABs are stuck all the way at the back of the building, and it's really hard for students to know that they're there. So we introduce these photos and contact details so you know who to get in touch with and how to get in touch with the SABs when you need help. This year I pushed to introduce a Guild survey to actually ask students what they want the Guild to do. This hasn't been done in over a decade, which I thought was stupid because we're here to provide services and support for students. As well as that, I also spent a good 3 months writing the Aber Experience Plan, a document that outlines what we think the Guild should provide to students in Aberystwyth to be a core part of the student experience. Another way to improve engagement with the Guild is to harness the power of our amazing student media. That's why I started Sab Fab, a weekly radio show with the sabbatical officers every Thursday on Bay Radio. I also managed to secure £52,000 for the university. We're going to use that money to turn this drab area of the Guild into a shiny new coffee shop. Somewhere where you can chill out with friends, do a bit of work, and not get kicked out for hogging the Wi-Fi. If you re-elect me, here's how I plan to be making more changes. We have loads of amazing services and opportunities in the Guild, with over 2/3 of students living in town. Why can't the Guild have a space in town?
The university owns so many empty properties in town. Just look at these. And even the old college as well. There's so many empty spaces in there now. And look at this amazing building, which has just been left to go derelict by the university.
If you let me, I'll fight for a Guild space in town. A space where there's more bookable areas for sports and societies, where students can hang out, grab a drink and do some group work.
So many goddamn buses.
I'm gonna walk.
Oh Christ, I need a bus. And a cheap one at that. Buses, why are you no cheap?
If you re-elect me, I'll fight to reinstate an affordable and sensible transport system for students in Aberystwyth.
One of the biggest issues we have with bars and ends is their lack of marketing and advertising. As a Guild, we really struggle to get people into the building to start off with. So how are we going to get people in at night when we only advertise in and on the building?
So if you re-elect me as Guild President, I'll fight for a Guild space in town. I'll fight to sort out the transport system in Aberystwyth. And I'll also do a total revamp of bars and ends in the union, so the nights out are what you want. So please vote Ben Meakin #1 for Guild President on Wednesday and Thursday. It's really easy, just go to vote.aberguild.co.uk.